Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about things that we love in our home. And today is one for our EDC family. Went shopping in town this weekend and we happened upon a knife we've seen a few times. I loved it, gave the seal of approval, and so we wound up purchasing it. So we're going to talk about first takes and specifics of it. So grab yourself something to enjoy to drink. I'm drinking a little bit of Cabernet from Sabina Vineyards, and let's get into it. Today's video is sponsored by me because I bought it for my husband, and that's what we do. And it is a Microtech knife that is Microtech, never compromised, setting the standard for precision cutlery since 1994. All right. This is a Stitch Ramlock. It's a fluted turquoise color and has a stone wash. They are 100% American made. I think that's important. And we have seen this knife a couple of times, but for some reason, it just really stood out this past weekend. Inside the box, you have a little bit of information from Microtech, Microtech product manual. This is their logo, as you can see. Caution, sharp edge, and who it's inspected by inside the box. Very pretty. I really like the color. I love bright colors. And this just stands out. They call it fluted turquoise. I really love bright, bold colors. It's almost bordering on peacock colors. It's not quite deep enough, but it's in the family. So this is going to be a tip up carry based on the clip that you have here. The blade is 3.75 inches. Here you can see the Microtech logo on the blade. Overall length is 8.5 inches. And when it weighs 6.38 ounces. This blade is beautiful. It's got a plain edge. There was a serrated edge there as well, but the plain edge was the way to go. On the clip, it does say Microtech and it says Stitch and it says 1/2025, so January of 2025. If you can see that on the clip, I'll put a picture up top if you can't see that. And then tell me, love, what is this?
It's designed by Borka.
Ah, that's right. So this is the production version of a custom collab with Marfione Custom Knives and Borka Blades. Marfione? Did I say Marfione? Marfione, apologies. It has a substantial choil and thumb ramp, right here. Spear point blade, and it has knurled alloy. Knurled alloy, interesting. So I am not, you know how I feel about non-flippers. It's hard for me. I cannot, this right here and I are not friends because it's actually super tight. That's what she said. But I can pull back here and flick out. So I can pull back and flick it out that way. So if you pull down like that, I always get super nervous. So one of the things that I noticed when we were in the store is when it's closing, it feels like it's grinding against something, but that is just the lock closure. So my first impressions are, when we were in the store, I tried it out. So a lot of knives that we buy online and we don't get to play with them. This one I tried out in the store, which is why I gave it my seal of approval. And I think it's just the overall aesthetic. I really like the color. It's beefy. It's pretty wide. Let's see. I would say it's almost a 1/2 inch wide. So that's pretty interesting. What, you want to compare it to something? Look at how beefy that is. But this is so pretty. I love this color. I know that's what everybody's looking for as they're shopping is color. There's a hole right here, so I could slip a lanyard through there if I wanted to. Not gonna, but you could. This was only $300, $301, I think. Pink. I like a real thick, deep click. So one that's like pops out. So anytime I hear a knife and I click it, I'm always listening for, it has to be aesthetically pleasing. It has to be also sound good. So anyway, what do y'all think? Do you own Microtech? Do we have Microtech? My knife, my little guy. I have a little out the front that is Microtech, and it is orange. I used to have another one, and somehow it went missing. I feel like somebody I know's kid stole it, but whatever. Gorgeous. This is what I like. Yeah, see? That is so satisfying. I love this knife. You hear me talk about this knife all the time. This is one of my tops. They're about the same in weight. Honestly, they feel about the same, and they do both feel substantial. You could cut a bitch with this. Both of these are going to do damage, but they're both just sexy. Sexy and sick. The Hinder is obviously a little bit longer, but super pleased. What do you think? Do you like it? Are you glad? Yeah? Awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.